Okay, I'm going to show you a second use for the highlight hotspot question that I actually just thought of. So I'm going to pull up the question. I'm going to go to upload image, and I'm going to click here so I can search for it on my computer. And I know I have, I put something in pictures that will work for this. Okay, and it's in my grade 7, and here we go. This is on cell function. So I'm going to open this. So look, this is text, okay, but this is exactly what I want. And I'm going to click OK. All right, so now the question setup is, what is a function of a mitochondria? All right, so now I have to do some analysis, and I'm going to highlight some parts of this text. So maybe obtaining energy is 1, bringing in nutrients and water, getting rid of waste. So again, oops, I'm going to close this one up and delete it. Don't like the way that one looked. Go back to draw, get rid of wastes. Have to make sure my mistake there was that I didn't click down on it. And let's see. All right, that's good for choices. What is a function of a mitochondria? Oh, I should say a singular mitochondria. And in the answer key, the correct answer, I'm going to talk about energy. All right, there's not multiple responses, so don't check this unless you have more than one correct answer. Click save. And there you go. That's okay. That's just an easy question. I'm all right with it having a value of 1 point.